What's up guys, Simon here with Tech Visibility. Today I'm going to go ahead and unbox and kind of give an overview or review of the Apple AirPods Max cushions. Now these bad boys go for $69 on the Apple website, and all they are just cushions for your Apple AirPods Max headphones, which I reviewed recently here on the channel. Check that video out. Before I unbox these and give you my impression, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also check out techvisibility.com for the latest product reviews and leaks. Let's get into this video. So the box is pretty standard. The Apple AirPods Max, in my review, if you saw it, they're very heavy. They are 385 grams, guys. Great sound quality. I would say audiophile sound quality. I would say it's even better with Apple Music versus, say, Spotify, which uses a different bit rate. However, they were very heavy on my head. Just wearing them even briefly in this video, I could feel them on my head. If I had to wear them for an hour and move my head back and forth or lean it, I would feel like this is a neck workout and I'm in the gym. Using them for a long time, I could see them becoming a burden versus some of the other headphones out there, such as the Bose 700s or the 1000 XM4s by Sony. So the AirPods Max do come with a lot of different ear cushions. So there's a black color. My AirPod Maxes are silver, so you could mix it up and choose different colors. And on their website, they actually have a silver, a black, a green, a blue, and a red. So very much there's several choices on there, and they're all $69. So let's see what they look like inside. All right, the box is pretty standard, very common of Apple products. This is the black version. It says designed by Apple, California, obviously made in China. Now they're magnetic. On the back of the box, you basically have instructions, which is the left and right. Then you have this pull tab to open it, as all Apple products. So here we go. And this is how they come in the packaging, guys. So very simple packaging. There's a pull tab here, and you pull them out like so. And it looks like the box does not come all the way out. It just enables you to pull them out to this distance. Really neat, actually. I find it to be kind of convenient. Place them back inside like so and push them back. So they pull out. And you have your indicators, a left and a right. As you could see here, they're magnetic. You have your mesh and the black feel. Now the black feel on the AirPods Max, they feel great. And I think it's nice to have the black cushions because if you sweat, you're not going to leave a sweat ring on your earmuffs. Now, I'm not sure if this is a sweat stain resistant material. However, with the silver lining, after a while, I could see them getting dirty. So the black ones, in my opinion, are really good for if you're going to use these a lot. In terms of the product quality, it's Apple built. These feel very soft. Feel actually the same as the ones that come with the Apple AirPods Max, which I did the review. They were silver. Overall, very neat. Are they worth $69 is the big question. It's an Apple product, guys, so you're paying a little bit more for the technology and ingenuity. They are magnetized, they pop in, they're very easy to replace in case you rip them, get them dirty, etc. They will work very well with your AirPods Max headphones. I personally don't have the AirPod Max headphones anymore. I decided to keep my 1000 XM4s as my daily listener. The battery life of 30 hours, the lightweight design of 250 or so grams versus the 350 or 370 from the AirPods Max. I chose to stick with the 1000 XM4s, and I will not be needing these AirPod Max covers or ear cushions. If you're interested, the black version is pretty cool. There's some cooler colors if you want more attention, but that's all you're going to get out of them. It's just some ear cushions. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Please go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news, reviews, and leaks, and everything tech related. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys here next time.